This is our radiator from the Triumph. I tried to use first aluminum rods, but it doesn't stick very well to this aluminum. Even if I clean it very well, it doesn't stick as it is supposed to. So I decided to use epoxy adhesive. I never used it before. I'm using it for the first time. It was sitting for like 20 hours, so now I'm gonna install it back on the motorcycle and we'll see how it's gonna work. I just installed the radiator back. It has 3 bolts. 1, 2, and here is the 3rd bolt. You will need to attach the radiator fan back. It has 4 bolts. 1, 2, and 2 more bolts on another side. 1 bolt and 2nd bolt. So now we're gonna connect. Our radiator is back. Now we're gonna connect the hoses. Here is the upper hose, the lower hose, the clamps, and the hose that goes to the coolant tank. It's this one. It's going like on the top of the cylinder. It's going down here and it's going all the way to another side to the tank. This is our coolant tank. This is how it goes. It has a cover on it, and we have this coolant line that is draining coolant line when the pressure is too big or overflow. It's going down, and we have another hose, this one, that is coming from the radiator, and it's connected right here. Now we're gonna install it, connect the hoses and install it back. Now we're gonna install the shifter rod back in its place. Here is a small dot. It should be aligned with this cut. I'll back the shifter itself and the foot peg, and this small ball goes inside this. You need just to remove this small ring like this, install the shifter, and after connect that back. See, it's back in its place. Now we're gonna install that small ring. We just connected everything under the tank, so now we're gonna lower it and install all the bolts. And now we're gonna add some coolant. This is what I'm gonna use. I'm gonna fill the system.